Hey guys! In this video we are going to be checking out the best broom for laminate floors. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every kind of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. TreeLen Upright Broom and Dustpan. TreeLen's broom and dustpan set is our top pick because the 52-inch broom boasts a 10-inch brush head with 4 layers of soft, yet sturdy bristles that effortlessly sweep up hair, dirt, dust, and crumbs. This multi-surface cleaning companion can be used on hardwood, bamboo, tile, vinyl, laminate, and linoleum. As for the dustpan, a 38.5-inch handle and a wide-mouth collection pan with a grippy rubber lip ensure no debris is left behind or swept underneath. The handles for both the dustpan and broom are extra long and are about 40 inches in length. The broom handle also comes with an optional extension piece that allows it to reach up to 50 inches in length for taller individuals. The pan also has built-in teeth for scraping hair and dust bunnies out of the broom bristles, which is essential for keeping your number 1 cleaning tool clean after a good sweep. The broom and dustpan also snap together and stand upright without support for easy storage. Keep in mind that while this broom and dustpan set is made of heavy-duty material, the broom bristles aren't designed for extensive jobs like picking up leaves, wood chips, or sticks. Despite this limitation, we still recommend this broom as our top choice because of its thoughtful design that makes it a reliable, everyday cleaning tool. Number 2. Yanxus Broom and Dustpan Set for Home. The Yanxus set is a premium choice that is made for maximum durability. The handles are both 52 inches in length and won't cause you to bend over to sweep. The broom's bristles are made from PET material for the highest strength and durability. The PET material is also recycled, so it is easier on the environment than other materials available. The PET bristles also stop water absorption, so they last longer than other materials. The dustpan is made from tough, durable plastic that will last longer and comes with a rubber grip that lays flat against the ground to prevent dust from being swept under the dustpan. It also comes with a bristle cleaner that lets you wipe off the bristles as you sweep to cut down on the time spent cleaning. The broom and dustpan set's flexible rubber lip conforms to clean all garbage and debris into the dustpan, not swept underneath it. The broom and dustpan set heavy-duty is made of high-quality soft and heavy-duty bristles that can effectively grab dust and dirt, a full-sized lobby broom head, and a large-capacity dustpan perfect for sweeping large areas. The compact design lets you hook both handles together so you can hang them up or store them in a closet and take up less space. Number 3. Amazon Basics Angled Bristles Heavy-Duty Broom. When it comes to cleaning tools, brooms are already quite basic. However, this broom really covers the bases with its no-nonsense design. It has a 3-piece interlocking handle that you can pull apart when it's time to store it, and soft bristles that are effective at sweeping or even scraping stuck-on dirt at times. Notably, it's also suitable for indoor and outdoor use. This product is a heavy-duty option that's built to last through industrial or commercial use. However, with residential use, you can use it for years without issue. The broom handle comes in multiple pieces that can be taken apart and adjusted for user height. This also makes storage easy and compact if space is an issue. The bristles of this broom are extra tough and made to be used frequently, so they won't bend easily. The bristles are angled so you're able to use it to sweep in the corners of every room. The durability of this broom also lets you use it outdoors if you would like to do so. While Amazon Basics isn't sold at supermarkets, this budget-friendly broom is dependable and worth waiting 3 to 5 business days. Be sure to add a dustpan to your cart, as one is not included. Number 4. Casabella Basics Angled Broom and Dustpan. When it comes to cleaning delicate floors, especially tile and hardwood, our experts have some advice: use a gentle broom. And that's why the Casabella Basics Angled Broom is another one of our picks. The broom is lined with flagged polyfiber bristles, which split at the tips, an intricate detail that makes it great for cleaning hardwood floors, tile, laminate, and other scratch-prone materials. These feathered ends are gentle on your floors but tough on dirt, clinging to dust in a way ordinary bristles can't. The broom is designed with a long steel handle, which breaks down into 3 pieces for easy storage. And its angled head is ideal for cleaning because it can comfortably reach into corners, slide under furniture, and trace baseboards and trim. The snap-on dustpan makes it an even better cleaning tool. Lined with ridges, the dustpan collects all the dust and debris your broom has swept up, instead of leaving it all stuck to the bristles. Number 5. FURemover Pet Hair Removal Broom. Pet owners know cleaning up fur is no easy feat. That's why there are so many pet-specific cleaning products on the market. And when it comes to brooms, we recommend this one from FURemover. It has rubber bristles, which are designed to attract pet hair much better than other materials. The rake-style head is ideal for removing fur from thick carpets and rugs, something that isn't really possible with other broom types that are designed for cleaning hard surfaces. We also like that this broom has a telescopic handle, which adjusts from 36 to 60 inches to accommodate family members of all heights. Plus, the rubber broom for pet hair doubles as a squeegee, so you can use the same tool for cleaning windows and shower doors. Those huge clumps of fur that you find piling up on your floors will be so much easier to clean up with the FURemover broom. Just note that this version is designed for indoor use only, but the brand also makes a broom with a bigger head that can be used outdoors, as well in large areas of your home. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.